Welcome to this video. Today we do have this BMW 420 diesel Gran Coupe, this being the M Sport. So it is finished in the mineral grey metallic and does come with a lot of specification, which I'll go through all the packages in this video. To start off with, does come with the M Sport Plus package, which does give you the 19-inch alloys, complemented with the M Sport braking system, and you do get the gloss black shadow line exterior with the extended content, so you do get the gloss black mirror caps, and you do also get the rear privacy glass, and inside you do get the digital cockpit, the Harman Kardon sound system, and your seat belts with the M design. Moving round to the rear, you do have the LED tail lights and the electric tailgate. Another package on this car, you do get the premium package, which does give you the sunroof as well as the electric seats in the front. As you can see, the Gran Coupe does offer a lot more space for rear passengers over the normal coupe, and it does have the full black Dakota leather inside. If we take a look inside, you do get the comfort package, which does give you the comfort access. Your steering wheel is heated, and you do get all the extended storage bits as well. Technology package as well, this car is fitted with, which does give you the head-up display, which I'll show you when I jump in. You get the enhanced Bluetooth for the wireless phone charging, and the speed limit display in the cockpit, as well as the Wi-Fi hotspot. Another package is the Park Assist package, which does give you the folding exterior mirrors, the Park Assist, your rear view camera, and you do get the surround view as well. So as you can see, the head-up display and your cockpit there. This car has done just over 53,000 miles from new. So you've got your cruise control and your heated steering wheel function down there. Your surround view cameras as well. You of course get the professional media system, giving you satellite navigation, heated seats. Overall, just lovely condition and plenty of specification. So there it is. This very highly spec'd 420D Gran Coupe. If you've got any more questions on this car, please do contact us on 01423 33 1133. Thank you.